Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the last 2 days classes, we were discussing about what is market economy as well as what is command economy. So in this particular class, we are going to see the third type of economic system, that is mixed economy, definition, advantages, disadvantages. Mixed economy is a type of economic system with combined characteristics of both market and command economy. So here both the government as well as market plays a significant role in taking all the economic decisions, where government will be controlling the economy, but at the same time individuals have the freedom of doing their economic activities. Let's see some features of mixed economy. First feature is we can see there is an existence of coexistence of both private and public sector. There will be private sector, very active private sector, and at the same time public sector will be, that is the government will be controlling the market. There will be a control of government over the economic activities of private individuals. Second feature is centralized planning. Centralized planning means government centrally there will be a planning, there will be budget for every year, it will be audited and controlling by the central government. And the third feature is coexistence of features of market and command economy. Market economy has some features like freedom of choice, private property, market competitions. So these are features of market economy, and at the same time there are many important features for private this command economy, such as social welfare, private properties, etc. So these kind of coexistence of features we can see in a mixed economy. Coexistence of features of both command and mixed economy is evident or visible in a mixed economy. Let's see some advantages of mixed economy. It ensures advantages of both market and command economy. That is, we can see a combined characteristics of market and command economy in mixed economy. Another important advantage is all the essential industries are owned and controlled by the government. That is healthcare facility, education, and all the basic needs are controlling and running by the government. That is another important point of or advantage of mixed economy. The third advantage is inequalities of income, cyclical fluctuations of the economies are controlled and planned by they are planning for it by the government. So that is inequality of income. So reducing the inequality is an important characteristics of command economy, as well as controlling the market and controlling the economic fluctuation is another important characteristics of command economy. So these kind of combined characteristics of command economy can also be seen in what? A mixed economy. Then the fourth advantage is presence of freedom of choice will increase the efficiency in mixed economy. Freedom of choice is an important characteristics of market economy, which is present in, or we can see it in mixed economy. Individuals have the freedom to select their choice of occupation, they can select their job, they can select which commodity they want to use, because there is product differentiation. Different varieties of the same product is available in mixed economy, or it is a characteristics of market economy. So that characteristics also we can see in mixed economy. And the fifth advantage is price mechanism help to allocate the scarce resources in an efficient manner. That is, price mechanism means it is an important characteristics of market economy, where the forces of demand and supply will be controlling the market, and all the economic decisions will be taken on the basis of market forces of demand and supply. So in mixed economy as well as the market mechanism or the price mechanism will also help the economy to take some economic decisions. So important, allocation of resource, decisions regarding allocation of resource also could be or will be taking on the basis of price mechanism. That is another important characteristics of or advantage of mixed economy. And at the same time, there are noticeable disadvantages too. The first disadvantage is mixed economy is difficult to operate because economy should balance both private and public sector. So definitely there will be disadvantages or difficulties associated with it. Second disadvantage is excessive control imposed by the government over private individuals may reduce the production. That is, there will be control of government over the economy or economic affairs of the private individuals. So it will affect their productivity and economic performance. So that is another important disadvantage of mixed economy. And the next disadvantage is all the infrastructure facilities or public utilities are provided by the government like transportation, communication, energy, water supply, etc. So if the government is unable to provide these facilities on time, it will also affect the performance of private industries or other private sectors, because these are the utility services which need for the production of goods and service by the private individuals. So if the government unable to provide these goods and services in a sufficient quantity, it will also affect the performance of private sector. So these are some disadvantages of mixed economy. I hope you understood the concept, and if you have any more doubt regarding it, please do comment me. I will try to clarify it.